Welcome back. It's time for another Wildcat Wednesday, and Francis Graves is joining us in studio from K-State Extension Service here to talk about an online certification program.
That's right. Yeah, we started collaborating with Utah State University. They developed a remote work certification program in 2019. So K-State's partnered for a couple of years now, and this is just a really unique professional development offer for folks who are either working online right now remotely or looking into becoming a remote worker, or for supervisors. There's two versions of the course. There's a remote worker for the individuals who are working remotely, and there's a remote leader course for people who are supervising other people who are working remotely. So
it seems like during the pandemic, so many people worked from home. We didn't have that option here, but like a lot of people started working from home. Now some are going back, but some are choosing to stay at home if that's an option. So.
Yeah, the workplace is evolving. So I think this is kind of a toolkit for the modern workforce. So you may be working remotely full-time or maybe just one day a week, or in my situation, you know, our Wildcat District Extension covers 4 counties, so our employees are always everywhere across the region. So in a way, they're working remotely because they're not connected in the same office every day together. So a lot of this course helps you learn some of those tactics for integrating a team, for setting a schedule, for measuring your productivity, for working, you know, different hours and finding that balance, protecting your mental health, as your previous segment mentioned.
Right.
Those are all super important, and we kind of take it for granted that remote work is easy, that you just need a computer and an internet connection, but to be good at it, it requires a lot more than that.
Okay, so give us the details about how you can get involved and sign up for this course.
Sure, so we have a website, kansasremotework.com, and there are actually courses going on throughout the year. So if you go to the schedule, you can see it's a 4-week course that's sort of a collaboration of bringing people together from across the United States. So you don't have to just live in Kansas. You'll be part of a cohort that meets together weekly for live conversations, and then you have this self-paced modules that you go through. It's 5 or 6 hours of work a week to get through all of the tools and tips, and then to have that live conversation with your cohort. But
and the live conversation, of course, is at a set time.
Correct. Yeah. For the remote work professional course, there's 2 options. So you could do it earlier in the day or later in the day, whatever works for you.
All right. And again, you can find that on your website?
Yep. kansasremotework.com is the website.
All right, and we'll have details and a link to that on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. Thank you so much for coming on, Francis.
Thank you for having me.
We'll be right back.